Inhale, exhale, pause, and slow down. Hindi natin kailangan magmadali. Hi, I am Donna, a nanay transformed by God through motherhood. Hustle, hustle, bawal ang fatix. Ito yung mga salitang tumatak sa akin during my college days. I was a working student sa Jollibee that time and sa Greenwich then, those old good days. And if you've been there as a crew like me, it's like our motto in life. Lalo na kapag maraming customers. Minsan pa nga, nagmumultitasking tayo kasi awol ang ating katrabaho at feeling natin tayo si Superman kasi napaka-satisfying lalo na the moment na nag-clock out kasi feeling natin may na-accomplish tayo na something in our stations. Now, alam mo yung feeling ng biglang nag-dive yung energy mo from a very high level, naging super low ito kasi wala na si adrenaline rush. Ganun yung feeling ko afterwards ng aking duty. So pagkatapos ng duty ko, diretso ako sa school library para matulog. Now, I am not promoting to sleep inside the library. Pero that was a good old days na again, if I will be reflecting to my current status in motherhood, malaki ang impact. And don't worry. After ko naman mag-siesta, nagbabasa rin naman ako ng libro. So, don't judge me. Or don't judge me. Sadyang kailangan ko lang mag-charge kasi napagod ako at ang aking katawang lupa from duty and then meron pa akong klase or class afterwards. Now, fast forward, nung naging nanay ako, I unconsciously brought that idea of speeding up o pagmamadali and multitasking, which is very helpful sometimes, but not in the long term, not healthy. Kasi sa pagmamadali ko, of course, nakakalimutan ko ng mag-pause at i-enjoy ang moment. At minsan pa nga because of the fast pace, nagiging irritable ako at nagkakaroon ng resentment o sama ng loob sa kaibuturan ng aking puso. Kasi feeling ko, ako lang ang concern, ako lang ang nagmamadali. But fortunately, God always reminds me to slow down and to not multitask because He has made everything beautiful in its own perfect time from Ecclesiastes 3:11. Also, I realized that when you slow down, that is the time you experience God. Ma-appreciate mo lahat ng ginagawa niya sa buhay mo and mga blessing na nabigay niya sa iyo, not just material ones of course. Hindi niya minamadali ang journey mo bilang magulang kasi along that process, you will be learning a lot about life and the way how to handle it. Just imagine pregnancy. It is slow, 9 months. Children growth are slow as well. Days are slow kasi it takes a whole process to develop something on it, something beautiful, something best, right? So as for me, I learned this in a very hard way kasi madalas nagiging footstool ni Satan ang aking pagmamadali. I am easily angered pag mabagal ang kilos lalo na kapag mag-church at malilate na. I get so impatient kapag mabagal yung paglalakad ng aking mga anak. I quickly judge everything I see that is not right and quick to speak nasty words. Oh, Jesus, forgive me. I know it is not going to be an easy and a perfect task, pero at least now we know the truth and hopefully convicted by it, we can slowly transition, slowing down in motherhood. Because remember, in the quiet and slow moments, doon kumikilos si God. This is Nanay Donna. Until next time, bye!